Good morning. First of all, happy Mother's Day. Second of all, I'm so glad that you're here today. Today, I have got it's a game, and it's a game that I've always loved. You know what these are, don't you? Dominoes. Dominoes are a great math game, but they're also a fun game that people like to set up and knock down. And you've probably done that yourself. You might be thinking, why are you talking about dominoes today? Well, because there's something called the domino effect. And the domino effect means that a chain reaction happens. One event starts a whole line of the same thing happening. And it can be something that's not great, like the virus that's going around. If one person coughs and sneezes on somebody and they have that virus, well, if they're not wearing a mask, they might make somebody else sick, and then the next person gets sick, and the next person gets sick. And, well, that's not a great domino effect, is it? But some domino effects are great. We know that Jesus wanted his disciples to continue the mission of spreading the love of God. He wanted them to go out and keep working and do the job of letting everyone know that God is love. And that was their job. Well, the domino effect is a great way of showing how we can do the same thing. It doesn't have to be big. It can be a small act. It can be smiling at somebody, and the next person smiles back, and then maybe they smile at another person and another person smiles. It could be that you stand up for somebody who maybe is being bullied, or maybe someone's not being kind to them, and you show them that you're going to be kind to them, and somebody watching, they're saying, I can do that. Maybe somebody watching them says, I can do that. So we can share God's love easier than we think we can. And sometimes we have an effect on people we don't even know. We might never know them. We might never meet that person. But because of one thing that we do, going out and sharing God's love by being kind, being helpful, showing friends that we care, somebody else might be the one who feels that love because of other people watching you. So we're going to show the domino effect. And it's pretty fun to make, but it's really kind of neat to watch. So I drew faces on the back of the dominoes. And this one is you. And you're going to start this chain reaction of sharing God's love. So you are in the front, right here. And somebody is going to see you do something kind or helpful. Or you might even tell a friend that Jesus loves them and invite them to church. And then they tell a friend, and they tell a friend, and they tell a friend, all the way to somebody you don't even know. So here we go. Let's see if this domino effect works, okay? And there you go, the domino effect. It starts with you. It starts with me. It starts with all of us, because Jesus wants us to go out and do something that he wants all of us to do every day. Love one another.